Welcome back, everybody. Today, I just want to say a few things. First of all, a big thank you for the owner of Stable Fund who did some donation for my cause, what I'm doing in this crypto journey, what's called More You Give, More You Receive. Thank you so much, Michael, for giving some donation. Few months ago, basically, I stake in your platform and I earned some money, and now I'm doing something good. And what I believe every one of you need to do this thing. It's called More You Give, More You Receive. I highly recommend. Please watch this to the end. Watch all this video from More You Give, You Receive. This is part 13. What I'm doing in my journey of my crypto and also in my personal life, I'm taking some profits of my earnings and from everybody who is donating. Thank you so much. Feel free to donate if you want. If not, don't worry, guys. Remember, go and do something good. Look what we're doing. We're going to watch the video very shortly, but we're finding people in the Philippines. Thank you so much for the people who is doing this video. It's mean a lot for me and for everybody here. I'm taking money and I'm helping people. How many times you've been hearing how many times you've been hearing the YouTubers or platforms, they saying we helping this, we helping that. None. Okay, this is what I'm freaking doing. I'm helping straight to the points, buying food and giving to these people. No fucking around. Okay, now remember, I'll leave you one quote and let's watch the video. It's called, when you're writing the story of your life, don't let anyone else hold the pen. Okay, you need to write your story of your life, and please leave a mark and make something good in your life. Okay, maybe you can change somebody's life for a day. Maybe it doesn't mean a lot for you, but it's mean a whole day for somebody else. Thank you so much, and let's watch the video.
Do you know how lucky you are having a roof over your head, a food to eat, nice and beautiful life? Luxury homes and luxury foods, 3 meals a day,
Bula.
Anak niyo po siya, no? Ilang taon na po kayo?
41.
41. Si ate po? 18. May asawa po kayo?
Meron.
Meron po. Asan po siya?
Sa ngayon po, namamasukan ko ngayon sa couch ng bahay.
Isang bahay. So, yung nakita ko po kayo na isang araw nag-repair, mga ilang taon na po kayo nagtatrabaho?
Matagal na rin ako sa phone stock.
Stock.
Matagal na. Talagang since nung na lang, ito ang bubuhay ko sa mga anak ko sa construction.
Yung ano niyo po, yung sweldo niyo po doon, magkano po yun?
Sa ngayon, repair lang ano ko dahil yun na lang ang pandemic. Ang linggo, sa loob ng isang linggo, 3 beses. Kaya sapat din na pang bahay, pang araw-araw.
Si ate po nag-i-school po kayo. Ate, saan po kayo nag-aaral?
Sa ICC.
ICC, public school po kayo. Yung iba niyo pong anak kuya, saan po sila?
Yung isa, yung sino siya sa pag-aaral, nandito rin siya sa loob. Ano doon sa loob lang? Saan dyan po sa loob? Yung isa, grade 6. 11 years old na. Bali yun nga, sa Caloocan yung nag-aaral sa pangarap.
Si ate, bali tatlo po yung
Bali tatlo yung anak.
Opo.
Tapos yung misis ko, yung nakasambal.
Yung kinikita niyo po kuya, paano niyo po yun ng pagkakasya sa
Kasi-
kano muna?
Sa ngayon, siyempre, yun. Bigas namin, importante lang naman yung bigas. Tapos yung maulam. Pagkakasya naman, kahit pa pa. Pero yun, siyempre may mga bayarin kagaya sa mga ilaw, hindi kaya. Sa ngayon nga, wala nga kami ilaw.
Wala po kayo tubig.
Kaya medyo talaga.
Yung tubig niyo rin po, wala rin po
Yung
ba?
tubig namin, tubig lang. Nakikisakot naman sa mga bahay.
Yung bahay niyo po ba sa inyo po ba?
Ako, nakikita lang po kami. Nakikita naman sa kita list.
So, bali kaya po kami nandito, meron pong isang tao, galing po siya ng ibang bansa. Nagbibigay po siya sa amin ng pangtulong po. Sabi niya po, ito, bibigay ko sa ito. Maghanap ka ng matutulungan mo. Ganun po. So, kayo po yung napili namin.
Maraming salamat.
Opo. Gusto niya lang po tumulong. Kaya po namin binibidyo kasi tutulungan po namin kayo. Ayaw niya po ng kahit anong kapalit doon. Gusto niya lang po makita yung reaction niyo
Maraming
na makatulong po, gano'n. Kaya, yun po. Mga maya-maya po, ibibigay na po namin sa inyo yung maliit po na tulong.